Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace your air filter on a Mazda CX-7 2.3 gas engine. This is the turbo engine. So you need to open the hood, and that's where your air filter is located, in this box. What you need to do, you need to remove that hose right there with a Phillips screwdriver. So you need to remove the clamp, and now this is the MAF sensor right there, mass airflow sensor, and that wire right there for it, that's holding it. And on the bottom you have one clip there, one on the back side, one on the bottom here, and one right there. So after you do this, you can just pull the hose on the side there, and now you can just lift up the lid, and that's where your filter is located. As you can see, this one is pretty dirty, hasn't been replaced for a while, but that's how you replace the air filter on a Mazda CX-7. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.